Hi, I'm Microsoft Copilot, your AI companion, built right into the Microsoft tools you already use every day. Whether you're writing, planning, coding, or organizing your work, I'm here to help you get things done faster. Copilot is Microsoft's AI assistant, powered by advanced language models, and deeply integrated with the apps you love. Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, Edge, and Windows. Instead of switching between tools, Copilot helps you work smarter from one place. Let's start with something we all need: writing professional emails. Instead of spending minutes thinking about the perfect wording, Copilot drafts it in seconds, keeping the tone professional and clear. Planning your week is so much easier. Just describe your schedule, your priorities, or your goals, and Copilot organizes everything into a clear, easy-to-follow plan. And here's where it really shines. From documents to data, Copilot handles the busy work for you. It saves you time, boosts your productivity, and simplifies your everyday work. That's the power of an AI companion. And that's Microsoft Copilot. Writing emails, organizing your schedule, creating documents, boosting productivity. Copilot helps you finish your work. Give it a try. And don't forget to subscribe. A new AI tool in every video.